multiplication you were taught in school and the multiplication you were not taught in school, or the multiplication you never knew. Look at it. We are looking at how to multiply 21 by 14. We look at the one you were taught in school, the one you were not taught in school. And the simplest method is the one you were not taught in school. In school, we were taught that, or you were taught that 4 times this, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And after that, you sum them up. You sum them up. This gives us 4. This gives us 9. And this gives us 2. At the end of the day, you have 294. Let's look at the one you were not taught in school. And that's the simplest method I'll recommend for you. You will use this 2 to multiply the 1, or 1 to multiply the 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. After that, you cross multiply and add the values. You cross multiply. You cross multiply and add the values. Cross multiply and add the values. So 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 plus 1. So here, along the leading diagonal, you have 1. The minor diagonal is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So you have 9 here. And you multiply the last ones. 4 times 1 is 4. So this is equal to that. Let's look at the second step over here. The one we were taught in school. This times this. 5 times 4 is 20. So 0, remember 2. This times that is 15. So 15 plus 1, 2 gives us 17. So you have 1, 7 here. After that, you use the 1 to multiply the 4. So 1 times 4 gives us 4. And say 1 times 3. 1 times 3 will give us 3. After that, you sum them over. This gives us 0. This plus this is 11. So 1. Remember 1. You add a 1 to this, becoming 2, plus this is 5. So at the end of the day, this is the answer you are going to have, or you shall be having. Let's look at the simplest method. The simplest method. 1 times 3 is 3. Then, what is next? You cross multiply. You cross multiply. Use these ones, we multiply the major diagonal or the leading diagonal values and multiply the minor diagonal values. And add the two values. So 1 times 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. So 15 plus 4 is 19. 19, 1, 9. So you put the 1 here and put the 9 here. 1 here, 9 at the other side. After that, multiply the last values. The column over here, multiply the values. 5 times 4 is 20. Is 20. So 20, write 2 here, 0. And sum them over. This gives us 0. This is 11. So 1 remainder 1. That one will be added to this, becoming 2, plus this is 5. So 510. So this is very easy in solving multiplication comparative to this. This is easy comparative to this.